We're going to take a look at solving a system of equations by graphing one more time. So remember, a system of equations is two or more linear equations, and when you solve, you're looking for the solution that they have in common, or the point of intersection. So when we solve by graphing, we're going to graph both of the lines and look for the ordered pair that they have in common. So I'm going to start by graphing this first equation, y equals x plus 4. So remember, this is my y-intercept of 4, so I'm going to go up to 4 on my y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's that first point. And my slope is 1, and it's a positive 1. So I'm just going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. I want to find as many points on my line as possible, so that when I find my point of intersection, it is very exact. I know exactly where that point is. I don't have to guess. Okay. Next, I'm going to graph this equation, y equals negative 3x minus 4. So I'm going to start with my y-intercept. That's negative 4. 1, 2, 4. So my y-intercept is right there. And my slope is negative 3. So that means I'm going to come down 3 and over 1, down 3 and over 1. So just going that way, I'm not really going to intersect with that green line, so I need to come up 3 and over 1 to the left, up 3 and over 1 to the left. So at this point, I have intersected with that green line. I'm going to draw my red line. So my solution is this point right here where they intersect. The ordered pair of this happens to be negative 2, positive 2. So that means the solution to this system of equations is negative 2, positive 2. We'll take a look at this example. So for this example, my equations were not given to me in slope-intercept form. So that's not really a problem. It just means I have a little bit of work to do before I can graph them. So I'm going to start by solving this top one for y. So I have 1x plus 2y equals negative 6. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. Get 2y equals negative x minus 6. Divide by 2, and I get y equals negative 1/2 x minus 3. So I'm actually going to graph this one as my red line. So my y-intercept is negative 3, so 1 to negative 3 on my y-axis. My slope is negative 1/2, so I'm going to come down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, and I'm going to continue to do that to find lots and lots of points on this line. To find points on the other part of the coordinate grid, I'm going to come up 1 and 2 to the left, up 1, 2 to the left. And again, just continue to do that so that I know exactly what all the points on this line are. Next, I have to take that second equation, 5x plus 2y equals 2, and I need to solve that for y. 5x plus 2y equals 2. So I'm going to subtract my 5x from both sides. Get 2y equals negative 5x plus 2. Divide both sides by 2. And get y equals negative 5/2 x plus 1. So now I'm going to graph this as my green line. So my y-intercept is positive 1, and my slope is negative 5/2. So I have positive 1, negative 5/2. So I'm going to come down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 2. Since finding my second point, I've already found where those two lines intersect. I'm going to draw that line. I'm looking for this ordered pair where they intersect. That happens to be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. Okay. And that is solving a system of equations by graphing.